the secrets of Italian weddings that few people know. For 11 years, we have been filming weddings in Italy. It's where our style was shaped. With that experience, we know how to create photos and films that preserve the atmosphere of an Italian weddings forever. Italy is known around the world as the land of love and beauty. But what exactly makes Italian weddings so special? First, the locations. From the majestic lakes Como and Garda to the rolling Tuscan hills, nature itself becomes the decor. Every frame looks like a painting. Second, the atmosphere. Italians know how to celebrate with joy in every moment. Long feasts filled with local cuisine, wine made in nearby vineyard, and evenings that flow into nights of music and dancing under the stars. Third, the details. Italians' weddings are always about style. Elegant gowns, seasonal flowers, timeless beauty. Even the simplest moments here look cinematic. And finally, the traditions. In small villages, you can still see bridal processions through the streets, while in larger cities, weddings often blend modernity with heritage. We continue to film weddings in Italy today, and our portfolio includes stories from Amalfi, Tuscany, and the Italian lakes. You will find the link to the free consultation in the description. We would love to talk about how to capture your love story with elegance in Italy.